how to install a Node-RED on a Ubuntu platform. For that, I have a manual with me, so it is done by our company. So we have to install the Node.js first. For that, we have to update the system. Sudo apt update. So once the update is completed, you can proceed with the installation. So for that, you have to install the Node.js package first. So I'm copying this command, putting it inside. Once it is done, you have to install the npm package. I'm pasting it there in the command. Okay, I must sudo apt install npm. Npm is a network package manager, node package manager. And the node package manager will install your Node-RED package too. So I have to copy this command, paste it on your screen, terminal. So it will pop up with few warnings. Don't worry about it. You can see Node-RED is getting installed in the system. Once the Node-RED is getting installed in the system, we'll start the Node-RED and work through using our browser. I have an IP address, so use your IP. Usually the Node-RED runs on 1880 port on default. So I'm starting Node-RED by giving the command node-red. So once it gets started, you go to your local, you can say local host 1880 if you are using without a IP address. So for myself, I am using ymautomation.com is to 1880. So that will open up your Node-RED platform. Here already a programming is being done. We'll put our first program. So I'm putting a timestamp and a debug node. From timestamp, I'm wiring it to debug node, so we can see the timestamp there. I'm deploying it. So whenever I inject the timestamp, it says successfully injected timestamp, and we could see it in our console screen. I can say this as a message too. I can say it should be a string data. I say ym automation I say the topic is welcome. Okay, so that can be given without the topic too, but you can see when I inject it, it says in the welcome topic you have a message payload called ym automation. So this is like a very beginner type of program. Hope I'll see you in the next future advanced videos with Node-RED. Thank you.